Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF document to ChatGPT and analyze the content of that PDF document. Although it's not possible to directly upload a PDF document to ChatGPT, there's still a way to do it. Because although you cannot upload a PDF document to ChatGPT, you can upload a PDF document to this website and tool called chatpdf.com. And all you have to do is open up this website called chatpdf.com, which we'll be doing it through the Google. Now click on chatpdf. So click on drop PDF here and upload your PDF document you want to analyze. And you can upload a research document, scientific paper or social assignment or a business executive summary, and basically any kind of document you can use. And as you can see, when you upload the PDF, it will give a brief summary of the document and also suggest some questions you can ask about the content in the PDF document. And if you, of course, you can also directly add your ChatGPT prompts here. So here I am adding a prompt, write me a long summary of this PDF document. All you have to do is click on the execute button and this ChatGPT model will answer what this PDF is all about. Then you can also ask question about any of these, or you can use the questions that they have provided at the beginning of the interaction, and you can always ask more questions if you want to do that. So all in all, this is how to upload a PDF document to ChatGPT and analyze the content of that PDF document. Thanks for watching.